Children seated. Class begins. Today's class was special because their teacher was no ordinary teacher. She was a cat. Professor Meow, wearing a smart coat and tiny glasses, jumped onto the desk. Her long tail swayed gently, and her big, bright eyes observed the children carefully. Today, we will learn how trees grow, she announced in her soft, meow-like voice. The children looked